beginning, day 30. Today I'm making a cake that looks like a Rubik's Cube. I was going over ideas with my mom and we saw this idea on Pinterest, so we adapted it to be vegan. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Line a couple of small rectangular tins with parchment. I cut out corners so they line the tin completely flat. I got these from Value Village. You'll need to make 3 small batches and split each batch in half. Each batch will contain 2 of the colors needed, orange, yellow, then red, white, and finally blue and green. We are going to do the step 3 times. So first, combine 45 milliliters of flaxseed with 100 milliliters of water and set that aside. Cream together 170 grams of both vegan butter and superfine sugar until it becomes light and creamy. Then carefully add the flaxseed mixture. Now carefully fold in 170 grams of sifted flour with a spatula. Make sure not to overmix it. Take half of the mixture out and place it in another bowl. Add a few drops of food coloring to one batch and add whatever color you want to the other. Since I'm doing white, I'm just leaving it there. Spoon the mixture into 2 small tins. Now place in the oven for 35 minutes or until a knife comes out clean. Roll out a long, even slab of fondant. The size will depend on your cake. Put jam in a saucepan and warm over low heat, then sieve to remove any seeds. I'm using blueberry. Begin with the bottom layer. With a pastry brush, coat all the cake cubes. For example, I'm stacking them like this. This is what they look like. And once you have all 3 layers of the cake in place, ensure that the outside of each piece of cake is covered in jams so that the fondant will stick. Now gently place the fondant over the cake and cut off the spare on the edges. It doesn't look too bad, and not all of our recipes are home runs. Fondant is really hard to work with. This is what it looks like. It looks nice. It looks cute. Let's try it. I want the blue one. Eek. Even though it's messy, it does taste really good. This is for Uncle Patrick, who can do a Rubik's Cube in under a minute. It still tastes awesome. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.